if you notice lately, right, I'm actually making videos these days, kind of like promoting my services, right, and skills. And if this feels a bit salesy and always about selling things and templates, right, man, the thing is, right, my life is really a bit, I would have used the F word, but it's really messed up, right? And things are just kind of like being weird, going weird, and I need money, I need this, I'm in debt, this and that. There's a lot. Different people are facing different problems, but even me, I'm facing lots of problems. So the only thing which I have in mind, right, is actually only use my social media platforms and actually promote the content, or create templates which are actually useful. They're actually similar to the service which I offer, right? Like I offer website designing, right? And also I can actually offer templates similar to those web design. Maybe it's a way of actually approaching sales. I don't know. Maybe it's gonna work out, or maybe it's not gonna work out. I don't know. But I'm just gonna be trying, uploading all the time on the internet, hoping that things go well. So we'll see. So the thing is, right, I just hope most of some of the templates which I'm gonna be creating, right, which I already have, right, are gonna make any sales. So if any of the templates make a number of actually 100 sales, right, in a span of I don't know how long, at least for me, I can actually get something, but I cannot predict the market. All I can do is create, and perfect whatever I do. The same services which I actually offer people, right? Let's say letterhead design, business card, website design, contact form, etc., right? Out of what else? I forgot, email signature. I'm just gonna be producing them and trying to make them they actually functional across different devices and hoping that they can actually bring in sales. And the whole trick is, it's not a trick really, but by just actually creating, right, the templates, but by just actually creating the templates, right, is giving me an opportunity to just say promote the services, right? For example, a template might actually be £45 or $45 or 75, right? Then if the person doesn't know how to actually set up the website, or they are impatient, right, they can actually pay another 75 for me to actually do it. So which also brings back to the whole idea of actually is selling the services, but in another way. I don't know whether it will work, but I'm just gonna do it and see how it goes. Yeah. Cheers. Bonnie.com.